If you're a fitness coach, creator, or a service business looking to boost your brand by adding content systems that work while you sleep, we can help you install an easy automated content system to bring qualified leads into your ecosystem and close more deals. But first, have you wondered why your audience isn't interested in your product, your leads are no good, your opt-in page is struggling, and nobody's booking any calls, which in return is leading you to do anything to get a book call. You begin to wonder if what you're doing is even worth it. You're wasting your time trying to find a solution and your content isn't converting, which is discouraging because you start to doubt yourself. You begin to feel frustrated, you feel pressure to succeed, and you start to feel disconnected from your goals. And even though you're doing everything that you can to show that your product is actually worth it, the truth is your audience does not trust you. And that's not even really your fault, right? Just think about the last time that you saw a Facebook ad. You most likely just scrolled right by it, right? You only continue to watch if you are familiar with the influencer. Why is that? Goodwill, right? Branding. This is why people are starting a personal brand for goodwill. The truth is, the world is becoming more and more untrusting every single day. This is why you are wasting time and money sending your traffic to a non-directional landing page, right? Examples of non-directional landing page: random email opt-ins, random affiliate website, Linktree, non-informative sales calendar. The reason why I call these a non-directional landing page is because as soon as your lead lands on that landing page, they have no idea where to go. You're literally just telling them input your information here and continue. That's not really how business works. Your lead isn't really gonna like you for doing something like that. You know what I mean? So in order to convert an inner, so in order to gain an internet lead's trust, even in today's skeptical times, you must be specific, provide value, interact with audience, interact with others in the space, induce multiple touch points, right? Be specific. You need to understand your ideal avatar and you need to go specifically after that person. Provide value. You need to give free templates, free worksheets, free workout plans, free meal plans to your audience, right? Interact with your audience. Like, comment, replies, comment under the post. Do anything that you can to tap in with your audience. Interact with others in the space. You need to go and do the same thing, like, comment, reply on other creators in the space. Induce multiple touch points. This is where we begin to talk about YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all these other platforms that we could use to induce a touch point. Not only will you gain tons of goodwill and grow your social media accounts, it also singles out your audience to find and attract your ideal buyer. We call it the automated flow funnel. This personalized marketing system attracts your ideal buyer, ensures the prospect is aware of your product or service, understand the motivation of your prospect while leveraging social media content to build trust, bring awareness, and position yourself as the authority. The automated flow funnel has helped us target our ideal client, saved us time from replying to unimportant messages, generated us an email list in our sleep, right? Jumped our show up rate from 62% to 87%, right? But who am I, right? My name is Juan. I started e-commerce a few years ago. I ran my store up to $1,000. And here's a few other brands that I built, right? Now, I didn't get a big payday from e-commerce, but there is one thing that I learned: systems and automations, right? That is a big thing with what we're talking about now. How it works. Like, first you start off on YouTube. We're first going to start off on YouTube. The big value goose egg that you have is YouTube. Then we go over to Instagram, which is your reels, your fast-paced content, your shorts. Your emails is next. This is where you're going to go ahead and funnel out. You're going to niche out your audience to the most valuable people, and then you're going to send them over to your VSL, right? And then it'll just keep going in a circle, right? And then we go ahead and automate this whole system, right? Now, YouTube, you need to provide as much free information as possible. The reason for that, you're positioning yourself as the authority. Every new video expands your moat. You have greater watch time on YouTube, and it generates the most valuable leads, right? So Instagram is your lead machine. The reason for that, it generated me a 200% email list with automations. Like how I said, it generated me an email list in my sleep. Helps bring fast awareness. You could send your leads on Instagram to your YouTube using a CTA by implementing automations, right? And email, right? Email will fuel your ecosystem. The reason for that is that you must provide value in exchange for somebody's email, right? Now that right there already is putting you above somebody else. You're already having kind of a trust exchange with this person, right? Your prospect is now closer to your actual offer. All of that while growing a valuable list. Like if you get somebody on your list, you can market to that person over and over again. And they put themselves closer to your offer because they picked up a free product, a free template, anything free that you offer to them, they have it. And a VSL, right? A video sales letter will induce intent. All right, now the reason for that, it allows you to pull levers on your prospect's emotions, right? You remove layers of skepticism. You have a little bit of friction leading to your ideal client, and you talk specifically about who it's for and what you do, right? Now you're able to pull levers on your prospect's emotions because you could talk to them about specific pain points, about certain things that you know that they might be struggling with, and you could also talk about things that make them feel good, that make them feel happy, right? It removes layers of skepticism because they see your face, they see that you're talking to the camera, and you're talking about something that you're actually doing, right? And it induces a little bit of friction, right? In the marketing game, people say that a little bit of friction with your lead is good, right? Because you don't just want everybody going into your email list. You don't just want the whole world to be joining your email list because most of those people are not going to be valuable. And a little bit of friction is going to remove that, right? And lastly, you're talking about specifically what you do, what you can offer to see if you're a good fit for the client, right? The best part of the automated flow funnel is that the video assets, worksheets, etc. can be repurposed and reused, resulting in an opportunity of running seasonal offers. Everything seems to be going great, but it's not that easy to set up, right? Although we show you exactly how to do it on our YouTube channel, are you willing to waste the hours to learn how to do it yourself? Constantly going back to the softwares to add, change, remove, reactivate automations is stressful and can take months to learn. Will you figure this out yourself? How many hours are you willing to sacrifice? What if we installed our automated flow funnel into your business without wasting any time? Our traditional paying client implements their automation flow funnel within 7 to 14 days. We find what works and we add on top of it, right? We're not just going to go through and remove everything, remove all of your current assets. We're going to work with them. We're going to see what we could do with them. And if repackaging, remarketing is needed, then we'll go ahead and do that. My team will help you create and install this funnel, allowing your business to capture leads into your ecosystem and generate qualified sales. We will build an offer that appeals to your ideal audience with upsells and downsells to increase value time. Guide you through the process of making a VSL to show your lead that you are the solution for them. Help integrate content with intent to your offer for absolute targeting. Help you leverage your time 4 hours a week to get a full week's worth of content. Help you create lead magnets that can be offered to your audience for free so that you can start building up that email list. Share our YouTube/Instagram system to capture leads in your sleep. Show you our systems for creating high performing content without having to script or even think about it. Assess a team of editors, scripters, etc. so that you could save time and money not doing that stuff. We're going to give you our systemized email template, give you our email capture automations, and work alongside you to run seasonal offers and optimize the system. And if anything on this video sounded remotely attractive to you, go down there, book a demo call with me, and let's talk, let's chat about how we can help you and grow your business with automations, with email, with Instagram, with funnels, with all these different things. Let's do it.